The upshot of the injunction is that all 138 asylum seekers currently resident at the hotel will need to be relocated by 12th September, pending the final hearing in October. The Home Secretary and Somani promptly issued applications for permission to appeal to this court. They were listed before us for hearing yesterday. Given the importance and urgency of the matter, we are giving judgment today. The Court of Appeal's decision on the Home Secretary's appeal relating to joinder as an intervener to the Council's application. The Court of Appeal grants the Home Secretary's application for permission to appeal against the decision dismissing her application for party status, and further grants the Home Secretary intervener status in the litigation between the Council and Somani. The Home Secretary has clear statutory duties towards asylum seekers in this country under the Immigration and Asylum Act 1999. These include the duty to provide support to them and their dependents, and to prevent destitution among this cohort. Given these duties, in addition to her constitutional role relating to public safety, the Home Secretary is plainly directly affected by the issues in this case, and specifically by the grant or not of an injunction to restrain the provision of accommodation for the asylum seekers at the hotel.
Can you step into the mic, please?
Closer. Very good. Right. We are deeply disappointed by the outcome of today's hearing. While Epping Forest has brought the wider asylum seeker debate into sharp national focus, the concern and motivation of Epping Forest District Council throughout has been the well-being of our local residents. Where we had clarity and resolution, we now have doubt and confusion. However, this is not the end of the matter. While the Court of Appeal has lifted the temporary injunction, the case for the final junction is still to be heard. Our battle on behalf of our residents will continue. A few weeks from now, we will be back in court, where we trust the strength of our case will still prevail. Epping Forest has always given the Home Office much cause for reflection. We understand government faces a dilemma, but that should not be at the expense of local communities. Planning law may seem dull, it might seem boring, but it goes to the heart of the relationship between local communities and good government. It enshrines the rights of local people to have a say within their own communities, and it should not be set aside lightly. The government can still listen. It needs to understand and take responsibility for the events that have taken place in Epping over the past 6 weeks, for the trauma and disruption brought upon our community. The battle is not over, and we will continue the fight. It is nothing less than the people of Epping would expect and deserve. Thank you very much.
Councillor.